All right, guys, following up on the video, I spoke to the customer and he approved the repairs. Okay, so as you can see, I got the computer open. You will see I have actually I tried a few of the transceivers that I have here because four is very specific, and I now have it repaired. These are I replaced also the capacitor right next to, which is a filter for the transceiver, and again the resistors. All right, things that I want to show you. Okay, so let me power this up. I was actually even using the decay box to calculate that capacitor because those are ceramic capacitors, and they're very hard sometimes to get the correct size. Let me just get some of this stuff out of here. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, perfect. So, all right, let me turn this on. All right, this is off. So let me run this. Immediately we have good news as far as the amplitude of the waveform. Again, A minus B is exact 2 volts, and that's what we're expecting. So just by looking at this, I know for sure that we will have communication now. Let's do an auto scan. I'm very tired. Excellent. All right, so yep, now we have the bean 90248. So we can go and get a quick access. I tried to communicate and I couldn't, and now everything is good. Oops, sorry about that. I'm very happy for this because it is, let me see what time is it. It's 10:28 p.m. So 4.5 hours on, well, not really, I can say 4.5 hours. I went and got coffee and so, but PCM, we can enter the PCM. Let's make sure that we get communication. And again, this is automatically search, which is very important. And I will do another test, turn off and try again, turn off and try again. But yeah, I can definitely see, and we can see now that acknowledgement being, which is perfect. See right here, this, if I change the speed right here, yep, perfect. So that's null acknowledgement uh, bit. That's perfect. And that perfect communication, read data stream. Again, we don't have nothing connected to this computer, so the only thing that we will be able to check and make sure that we are indeed in with communication is the battery. Oops, too much. Battery voltage. And I'm going to just change in here. I already got selected, so I'm going to change, as you can see, the battery voltage in here up and down. And I'm going down to like 12 and something, 11, going back to 13, 13 and a half. Perfect. So we can see indeed that communication with the scanner is fully restored. Nothing wrong with the computer. You can see the module information. These are just I don't know why in tapped on I chose like that because I know as a fact if I connect, let's say the hotel, we will be able to see the IM608, which actually I'm going to do. Let me connect the auto scanner and look at the part numbers in here, vehicle encode and everything. So that makes absolutely no sense. We won't like to see the calibration. So, but this is working. Let me try another scanner to make sure everything is good. So I'm going to exit this one. I'll pause the video. I'll be right back. Right, I got the hotel out and I got the VCI connected already. Let me power on the computer. Again, I'm very happy the way the CAN data is looking now. Let me change the trigger over to channel A and we can see that better. In 1 second, guys. I have changed that password so many times. All right, so let's go over diagnostics and we're going to do bin detect, auto detect. Perfect. For USA, accept. Now the glare is not so bad. Bin number is perfect. Okay, now we have two scanners communicating with the module. As you can see, I still got everything on. Let me turn all this off so no more power being wasted. being the quoting information. All right, so it's an E series 4.6 gasoline, big number, everything is good. So what I want to show in this one, which is the other reason I moved this onto this scanner, and I mean, it's double check, make sure everything is good. You see, as soon as the scanner is talking and we send data, before there is no data, there is no acknowledgement bit in there. As soon as you start reading and transferring, um, information back and forth from the scanner, it's like another module, and then you can see the acknowledgement bit right here. So, and right here, it's actually the easiest one to see will probably be the purple channel. See right here, and the red too as well. All right, so let's see diagnostics. Control unit, we only have one, right? So let's go over to the PCM, ECM information. You see, standard straight power number 5C2, 5C2A, CUA. Once you show that, I gotta be careful because this is one thing that the top-down Phoenix does not show. Let me move this around. Gotta be careful with. Let me give me 1 second, guys. Right, what I want to show you is you see the 5C2A and CUA are the numbers of this computer. 5C2A, CUA. So this part number matches perfectly with what we have in the computer. I like that from right here. So this is perfect. So I don't know why top down is giving us. I'm going to revisit the capture and make sure that I'm saying it right, but I think it does not match anything. So I don't know what that part index or I don't know what they put in there, but these I notice immediately. If I see 2A, CUA, that is exactly this computer. Again, we can go into live data and do the same thing with the battery. Let's do the same thing, the same test. 12, ugh, 1036. Yeah, 1036. Time just goes by when you're having fun, right? Sometimes people don't understand and it's like, oh, you're sure you're too much. I mean, this is time consuming. This is not like, you're connected in the car. I have to check connections. I have to recheck and recheck, make sure that when I give it to the customer is fixed. All right, so let's check for the battery again. Battery voltage, perfect. All right, so I close this right here, perfect. Um, can we make this a graphic? All right, so I'm going to do the same thing. Bring the battery voltage down, and we can see how it went down to 11 something, and then 13 something. So it is reading perfectly. All right, guys. Tejas, this is your computer. As you see, big number, everything is matching perfectly. I tried two different scanners, and everything is communicating 100%. I will be contacting you shortly to collect payment and then filling up this module and send it. You can come and pick it up. Not send it because he's actually local. So this was a quick and, trying to help somebody local. Sometimes I don't want to do this during the week because I work Monday through Thursdays on the shop. But when it's an emergency or something, I always try to help as much as I can. All right, guys, thank you so much for visiting the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.